All right, time to work a little bit on the admin side. So adding car does not have a feature to upload an image, so let's do that. Shall be. So I'm going to instruct them to work on the admin panel a little bit and give ability to upload at least one image as cover on add and edit section of the car management on admin. Okay, shall be different. So let's see the database structure that we have put in. Let's go to cars. Okay, car image is a table, cars is a table. Very good. Yeah, probably have one field, one column in cars table for that mandatory image, and rest could go in car underscore images. Let's do how it does that. So it's using its brain to understand how to implement that. However, I already gave him the necessary instructions. So probably it will create one new column. So let's see. So it's using some brain to identify the path to go ahead and what needs to be done, cover image to cars, uploading the backend, and so on. Okay, so probably it is going to start making changes now. So now it's adding the migration. It's fine. So it's going to write the backend changes now, which we are going to do. So yes. And one feature that we are going to give is, of course, the cropper. So we'll do the cropper. And this image needs to be public image because this is going to come on the front end. So yeah, it's very important that we make the uploads public. It's making all the changes, gallery images. Gallery images is going to be multiple. Cover image is going to be a single mandatory image. So now it's going to make some changes to CarController, of course, in the create method, because previously we just created the entries. Now we need cover image as well. And it's going to, of course, make changes on admin panel as well. So this is the delete. So now it's trying to rewrite the car form, which of course it has to do because that's where the major changes would be. So this is the new cover upload for front end. This is the React part, the Next.js part for the admin panel. And this is the gallery upload as well. So let's see how it's populating for us. And if we do not like anything, we are going to instruct it to update. And this is the cover thumbnail. So we need to run the migrations. Okay, so it ran the migrations for us, which is weird. It's doing just everything for us. And it has also did a storage link, which is basically for linking the storage section to public folder. And this is the migration that it has run for us. So good that it's doing, but we need to be careful. It's not asking us to do it, it's just doing it by itself. So it says that it has done a lot of work. So let's go and have a quick look how it created the front end for us. So let's run program. Good. So it has given us an option to Upload a cover image. One thing I do not like is that it is asking all the images here, which is fine and not fine at the both place. So let's try and create some data entries. So I have some dummy images with me now. So let's try and upload these and see how it actually works. And let's do, they're all the big size images, but since we are on our local, so it doesn't matter. Let it be. We'll ask them to, of course, give a cropper. Let's put the office, Toyota, Camry, year, color, white, AJK 119191, VIN, random, let it be sedan, automatic petrol, 5, 10, and $70, for example, daily rate, and it is available luxury car. So let's see how it works. Okay, I can do multiple, which is perfectly fine. And let's open the console and let's click on add. Okay, so it says content too large, which looks to be our server issue. So I'm going to compress a little bit and going to resume the video. All right, I did some compression, so the images are the same. It's just that they are compressed. So let's try and rebuild it. So let's click on replace uh, first one, and then let's remove these and put the other three here. So it's not that we cannot upload 5 MB, it's just I have to make the settings, which isn't worth the time of our video, and upload it, which is wonderful. So let's go and edit. I can see this again and this again. Very, very good. So we have the images up and running. And the only thing I would like to add now is I would like to implement cropper on primary thumbnail image. So it's going to see which cropper we could use, and let's see how it goes. So there's no cropper library. And I just honestly want it on the primary image, doesn't need to be on the gallery images, because gallery is just going to be as is. So I'm just going to be using it on uh, gallery images. Sorry, the thumbnail images. So let's see how it goes. It's going to put some library into it. So it's trying to put me on React image crop, which I think should be fine. If you want to see about React image crop, let me show you. It's this library, React image crop. No, it's React image crop, not React easy crop, which it says that it's been converted into this. So never mind. Let's see what it is doing here. It is in fact doing React image crop. Oh, here we go. This is on GitHub around npm. So it's doing React image crop, and this is the library that it is using to crop the image. So let's see. Okay, so here you go with the cropper. now it's doing the car form to hook up the cropper changes. So now it's doing the cropper model so that we can show the image in a pop-up where you can actually crop it and then apply and cancel handler. And that should be it. Okay, so let's try and see what cropper did he put for us and if it's usable by us. Uh, nice. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So if we just wanna keep the if we just wanna keep the rectangle shape, that is fine for us. Yeah, let's put it like this and apply crop and update car and edit. Yeah, looks to be working. So Claude has done a good job for us on this. So add and edit both are working with croppers. So I think we can close this video here. So in this video, we have covered uploading the document, uploading the images, not the documents, images, and using the cropper. Thank you.